Do you know Instagram add a new Valentine feature? If you want to know what is this feature and how you can use it on your Instagram account, just follow me step by step. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app, as you see, and you will click. Then here in this first page you have to go to this sign of chat or messages, this icon here of messages. You will click here. Then as you see here you will find this feature of note of Valentine like this here. So to know how to do the same thing or how to get this Valentine feature, let's get started. Here you have to find this sign of profile like this, your note like this here. So you will click or you will enter to this sign of profile. Then here you can write anything you want. You can add love note or a statement or anything you want to add to share with your friends, or you can add your location or a music here. For example, let's choose music like this. So then what you have to do is to go to this sign here, share with friends. So you will click. Then here in this page you have to choose whether if you want to share it with your close friends, and you can add your close friends here in this list, or if you want to share it with friends that follow you and you follow back. So for example, let's choose just friends here. And then you can add also a note with this music here. For example, hi here. Then you will click on above on this sign of colors. You will click. And as you see here in this page, you will find these icons of Valentines. You can choose any color of this Valentine icon here. For example, let's choose the red color. And then we click on apply here. And after that you will click on share to share it with your friends. And then here you will get it in this way. So everyone click on your note, or if you click here on your note, you will get this note in this way here, this Valentine feature on Instagram. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.